So we are back here again at the farm. Today we are stocking new pigs, checking the old ones, making sure that everything is fine, that everything is going on well, just to be sure that they are doing the right thing, and also to see how they can excavate the stream for a little expansion. So this is me walking down to the stream side. So I bought a new pair of boots because the last boot I used was a bit tight. How dare you come into the bush without a comfortable boot? How dare you come into the bush with your legs exposed? So coming into the bush, one good thing you need is your boots. So this is me walking into the stream side because obviously some of the pigs are there right now. It's because that's their favorite environment, that's their favorite spot in this farm. Believe me, you won't recognize this place. If you saw my last video, you would see how clean the stream was when we first brought these pigs in here. When you see it now, you can tell the difference, that something has happened here. This was not how we left it the last time. The river has expanded. They have excavated it. See the whole place looking muddy. This is just the way they like it. These are the ones that we just brought. They have acclimatized. See, baptism has taken place.
We will get a very body-friendly fly repellent and pet shop. If I see white fly, they mostly the stress of their body. You see all these potopoto when they use body take carry. See this one now.